Actually, Desmond dropped in on me. So we're at my house. My man Desmond Flowers with Century Mortgage, and like we've been talking a lot about helping consumers out and what's going on with everything out there. So loans. There's how many different loan products are there?
Man, there's several different loan products. Before main loan products, you have a conventional loan, you have your FHA loan, you have your USDA loan, and then you have your VA loan.
Okay, and I know some of this, and some of this is pretty cut and dry, but fill in the gaps. VA is for veterans. Is it just for people that served in the military, or their family as well?
Well, it's just for people that serve in the military. It just depends on.
So it's not one-off. It's like actual person.
Actual person, spouses that are.
If the spouse was a veteran who's deceased, then the living spouse.
Yeah.
So there's your loan product for veterans if you're a veteran. And what are some benefits for a veteran to use the VA loan?
So a couple things. We can finance up to 100%.
Okay.
Another main benefit is that they don't have to pay any mortgage insurance, which is huge.
Okay, so no PMI.
Yeah, so no PMI on
Gotcha.
VA.
And PMI is private mortgage insurance, which ensures that the mortgage company has insurance against a default. Benefits are 100% down, great rates. The downside are some hoops you have to jump through because the VA wants to make sure that they're loaning a good product and things like that. USDA, which I also know.
U.S. Department of Agriculture.
Department of Agriculture.
Yes.
This is what oftentimes too is referred to as like a rural housing loan.
Yep, RHS. It's also based on the income from the buyer too.
Okay.
So the buyer has to be, it's an income driven loan, so the buyer has to have a certain amount of income level. They can't exceed a certain amount in certain areas.
And that changes based on area?
And that changes based on zip codes. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Most common loans we see are conventional and FHA.
Absolutely. They're a great loan for a first time home buyer. It's very little
FHA,
down.
which stands for Federal Housing Authority. It's another government sponsored loan. Is that Fannie and Freddie?
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
It's a government sponsored loan that allows you to put down as little as 3.5%.